everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are filming another Thrifty Thursday. Woo! If you couldn't tell by our like beautiful matching outfits, this actually happened on accident, but like I'm kind of here for it. So it's like a little chillier today, so like obviously it was flannel weather. What are you gonna do? So today, and actually this is you're probably gonna see like multiple days in this video, I think, because of just how it's all gonna work out, but we are going to be DIYing thrifted finds and also kind of just repurposing some old clothes that we have here. So we each have a couple pieces and we're going to be doing some different things like bleach dyeing them. We've got some things to crop. Yep. Who knows what all we'll get up to,
I don't even know.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
I just thrifted this from Goodwill. I loved the sleeves and the pattern.
That's really fun pattern.
But I don't really like the way it fits, so I was thinking of maybe like cutting like ribbon on the front of it, if that makes sense, to make it like kind of cropped, but like a tie crop top.
Yeah,
if that makes sense. That's my plan
kind of
for that.
an interesting, and it's got some wild sleeves.
Yeah, the sleeves are very wild, super fun.
This is a piece that we thrifted in our last thrift haul, which if you haven't watched, I'll leave it up in the cards. We went to all of our local thrift stores and we found a bunch of stuff.
It was so much fun.
But this is a really cool like vintage Ralph Lauren shirt, and I really like the color, but it's very long and just like, you know, not that cute. I think we can make it spicier, so I'm going to crop it, and we might also be repurposing the bottom of this into a tube top of sorts. We might try and get a little 2-for-1 on that one.
Yeah, I think that would be very fun. I just got this one also from Goodwill. It's like a dad polo of sorts, but it has like 2 different textures on that, which I thought was super fun.
I love that.
So I think I'm just gonna crop it either at the line or like a little below, so then you can see the pattern still.
I really
like it, but it's just too long on me. So.
Yeah, it's pretty big. Okay, we can talk about these next two together.
Yeah.
But these are both from our thrift hauls. We both picked up like men's giant green polos, and I think we're going to crop and bleach dye these and just like turn them into a whole moment.
Yes, these are the ones I'm most excited for, to see how they come out.
I am. Okay, so I was telling you this the other day, like when we were thrifting, I saw this on the rack and I had some like I saw the vision. I knew what I wanted to do. Since then, I have sort of forgotten what I was picturing, so I've like lost the vision a bit, but like it'll come around.
We're gonna figure it out.
We'll make it work.
Yeah, we're gonna make it work.
Like, what did I think I was gonna do with that? Because I'm not so sure, but we'll see.
It'll work out probably.
I think so.
Maybe. We'll see.
We can make it work.
Yeah. And then this one is kind of like the first one where it just had really fun sleeves, and I also like the color of it. Yet again, it doesn't fit me very well. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it.
Swear to God, in grade school I had like 8 shirts. Like this is a classic like grade school me picture day shirt.
This is the fit.
That is the top I would be wearing.
Perfect. So recreating Serena's photos.
I actually genuinely used to have one like that, but it was velvet.
Ooh.
I wish I still had that shirt because I feel like it would be very on trend right now. Who would have thought I should have been keeping my grade school clothes?
Yeah.
Okay, my last piece, this is not really thrifted, but we had a little tragedy. This is a hoodie from Balance Athletica, which literally I lived in this maker hood all winter. It was my favorite ever, and then I was wearing it to the grocery store and somehow got bleach stains all over it. Like they had cleaned the cart handle with bleach. Which, like, why would you do that?
Oh, no.
So I was just walking down the aisle and then realized that I got bleach all over this, like, not super cheap hoodie. So that was a devastating moment. And then I thought, you know what? We're just going to fix it. We're going to turn it into a happy accident. So I'm going to turn this into, like, a fully bleach dyed sweatshirt so that, you know, it doesn't look like there's random bleach splotches. Because these didn't even, like, they just turned orange, you know? They didn't get to the cool part where it takes out all of the color. This is still a great hoodie, and I love it. It's like the perfect oversized one, but I need to make it look a little more purposeful. Yeah. So, I think we should just get into the DIYs now.
Yeah.
We've officially moved to our DIY setup. Hopefully you guys can see things well enough. It's kind of our first first attempt at this view, but I'll also try and get some close-ups of what we're actually doing. But we each have a shirt here that we're gonna crop. We were discussing off camera if we were gonna be professionals about this and like pin where we want and like, you know, and the consensus was no, we're not gonna do that.
Sounds like a lot of work. We're not gonna do it.
It does sound like a lot of work. So we each have scissors and we each have a shirt.
Yay!
She's going so high, literally like right up to the top of the shirt.
I mean, my top, extremely scandalous.
I just don't even have a comment. I said something to you like 5 times. Like, are you sure? Are you sure? But here we are.
What did we expect? I think it's gonna be fun.
Next, I think 2 are gonna be your tops. I don't have anything else to crop right now. Maybe I'll go find something in my closet. But you have an idea for how you want to do it. We want to crop it and then kind of make the back tie.
Yeah.
So my thought is that you're gonna...
I don't know how to do that, so.
Okay, I have an idea
project
in my head of basically like you'll crop it a little bit longer than you want. So maybe like here.
Okay.
And then saying that like maybe here's where it's actually gonna end, and then you'll cut up about halfway. And cut here about halfway, so it'll still be connected here, but they'll just be little strings.
Oh, okay, yeah. I think that'll work, right?
The vibe that you
That's
want?
what I wanted, exactly.
The whole back's not gonna tie, but those 2 strings.
No, just the string.
will tie.
That's what I wanted.
Yeah,
exactly.
okay.
Because it's like pretty. It's like a little loose on me, so I want it to be
yeah,
tight fitting crop top.
Fill my head with some clouds, baby. Fill my brain with some ecstasy. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you.
Here's the shirt from the front. We love the length, and then flip around to the back. So we really like the first tie down here. Like it's really cute, but we've got all this extra fabric. So what we're gonna do is actually repeat the same process from down here. And just bring up another cut up here. So we're gonna go up the middle, kind of cut slits here again so that it'll be 2 ties and kind of an open back top. And then we won't have the extra fabric.
I know you're tired of waiting, but my friend said that we need some patience. We don't wanna wait no more.
All right, we're on to, I think, our last cropped item. This is that like really fun, it's almost like a zebra pattern.
Yeah.
I like it.
I don't even know.
So we're on like a tie kick, and I think what we're gonna do here is cut most of the bottom of this shirt off, and then we wanna leave like two little triangles that meet in the center of the shirt so that they tie in the front, and you'll have like a little, it'll kind of be like open here and then open on the bottom. It'll be a crop top. I'm doing a bad job explaining it, but it's in my head.
It makes sense up here.
Coletta, trust me, so we're just gonna do it, okay?
Fill my head with some clouds, baby. Fill my brain with some ecstasy. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just wait.
Okay, things have gotten serious here. We've gotten the sewing machine out. Actually, first sewing attempt went pretty well. We're about to do the second one. We'll see how it goes.
Long time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. Of you in my bed.
All right, it's been a hot minute. We are officially done sewing. I would say all in all,
I would say
it
successful.
worked. I feel like I'm being more picky about it than you are, but it's because it's your shirt. I want to make it perfect.
I think they both look perfect.
But yeah, so those we will show you soon. And now we are going to head to the bleach dyeing part of this video, which is much easier and will not involve very much hard work. So yes, I'm excited. Basically, if you haven't bleach dyed, it's just like tie dyeing. All you're gonna need is rubber bands and then some bleach. Do not do what I did the first time, which was get color safe bleach. I accidentally did that, and then of course it didn't work. So you need that full strength bleach. And then you can really do whatever you want here. Normally what I do is I like to do like the twist ones and then I kind of scrunch. But so you're gonna take your garment, how do I wanna do it? You can either fold it in half, you can just lay it flat. It might be easier if it's buttoned. It doesn't have to be buttoned. This shirt's pretty thin. Both of our shirts are pretty thin.
Yeah.
So I don't think it'll need to be in the bleach long, and I also don't think that it will matter too much how you fold it because it's gonna soak through. But I'm just laying my shirt out flat. You can kind of see here. It's not buttoned. I'm gonna start in the center and then just spin. And I am gonna kind of mess up the collar, and that's okay. So I kind of get like a chunk, and then you just start putting rubber bands around it. And the rubber bands make a design too. So like however you put the rubber bands, will create like different like lines and stuff. So you can like try a couple times to get the right wrap that you want, and like you can also do different things. It's all up to you.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
Okay, we are unbundling the first tie-dye. The rest are still sitting in the sun. But like I said, this one went really fast. I'm so excited. It looks good. I don't even know if you should crop this. I almost feel like you should just leave it long.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna live with it for a little bit and then decide, I think. Ooh! That's so fun.
That looks dope. All right, here is the hoodie. It turned out different than I expected, but I think it's kind of cool. What do you think? It's pretty subtle on the back. Does it look like it's just messed up on the back?
No, I don't think so.
I think there's good stuff on the arms. There's enough on the hood.
The front part looks so cool, like the balance part.
I think it looks pretty good. I didn't want to leave it in any longer because I felt like it was going to get too red. I definitely like it more of the white. Like down here looks really good where it like went fully white.
Yeah, that's...
Alright, so it's been a couple days since we originally started the DIYs. We actually got pretty much all of them done that afternoon, but we needed to let some of the bleach set. We needed to wash and dry them, even though half of the stuff still reeks of bleach. If you're gonna do bleach dye, I highly recommend washing it like 4 times. Or maybe leaving it outside for like a week.
That'd be good.
It takes a long time to get the bleach out, so that's something to know. But anyway, that was such a tangent. We are going to show you our final products now. So we're going to do a run through of them. We'll give you the before and afters, all that good stuff.
Don't like all this distance. I want you close, I'm missing your existence. Fill my head with some clouds, baby. Fill my brain with some ecstasy. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time, right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my...
Alright guys, that is everything that we DIY'd in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to see more DIYs, let us know in the comments. Also, let us know what you want to see next on Thrifty Thursdays. I don't think we have anything planned
No, we don't have anything planned. So.
But if you have any fun ideas, leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us both on Instagram. All that will be down below. And yeah, we will see you again very soon.